The Body Tech Skills Program takes somebody from basically zero knowledge and experience all the way through to the point where they would be what's considered a B-level technician, where they can actually do minor structural repair, 3D measure cars. They can do welded panel replacements. They can go ahead and provide appropriate corrosion protection. Certainly do all the basic skills that an entry-level tech might do, the dent repair, more severe dents, repair aluminum as well as steel, but not in structure. They also replace parts welded or bolted on. And they can also move through the light structural repair, where they can measure and analyze vehicles, but likely not do a full rail changeout or a full frame replacement, though that has been accomplished by some of our apprentices. Typically, that's not in the scope of their work. But having them be able to do a sway repair, remove a twist out of a center section, correct a short rail, out of level condition. These are things that are certainly a part of their skill sets when they finish this program. We also take them through welded panel replacement and helping them prep either for doing spot welds or a gas metal arc welding panel replacement. In the combination of these two skills, they're also prepping for the ICAR MIG welding certification test. As with each of the programs, when someone acquires the entire program at the same time, they get the two boot camps, the one for the technician themselves and the one for their trainers.